This is going out to all of you who are regularly striving to move your lives incrementally, 1% at a time, in a direction where you can be pleased and satisfied with your personal development and growth. We all hope to experience the sensation of hearing a voice in our head that says, "Well done, my good and faithful servant," not just at the end of this life, but on a day-to-day basis, if possible. In the Eternal Warriors 3.0 class that starts Monday, February 6th at 7 p.m. Utah time, we're going to be going over things like why we forget what is important to us and how to improve reminder systems, how to recognize and respond to intrusive thoughts from the adversary, understanding the role of thoughts, feelings, and brain chemistry that contribute to reoccurring unwanted behavioral patterns, lining up the dominoes or neurological pathways in your brain to achieve success. We're going to talk about effective gardening of your brain to produce the most desirable fruit, thoughts, feelings, and behaviors you really would like to have, and replacing unwanted behaviors with passion projects, which is a short name for using your spiritual gifts in alignment with the power of God to serve others in miraculous ways. Please follow the details. We'll be meeting for an hour every Monday night for 16 weeks. If you can't attend, then you will be invited to visit the recordings and lots of other audios, videos, recordings, and diagrams that cover the content of the class. Bring your family, bring your friends. Eternal Warriors 3.0.